Hello friends, in this video we are going to understand what is the difference between WhatsApp Business App and WhatsApp Business API. Well, both of the platforms are designed for businesses. If we talk about WhatsApp Business App, then it is designed for those businesses who want to communicate with their customers manually. Whereas if we talk about WhatsApp Business API, then it is designed for those businesses who require automation, integration, and communication at larger scale. Now let's understand what are the core differences between WhatsApp Business App and WhatsApp Business API. But before starting this video, I hope you have created an account on WhatsApp Business API. If you want to create a free WhatsApp Business API account, then I have mentioned the link in video description. And if you want to learn how to set up WhatsApp Business API for your business, then I will add the playlist end card in the last of this video. So watch this video till the end. Now let's start this video. If we talk about WhatsApp Business App, then you can install that app on your phone. It is basically designed for local shops, salons, restaurants, freelancers, and all other small businesses. If we talk about the features of WhatsApp Business App, then you can create a business account on it. You can set product catalog. You can set greeting message. You can set away message. You can manually conversate with your customers, as well as you can set status on WhatsApp Business App. For example, if you are running a bakery shop and you receive 5 to 10 inquiries daily on your WhatsApp, then you can easily manage your inquiries using WhatsApp Business App. You need not to switch your WhatsApp from WhatsApp Business App to WhatsApp Business API. Now, if we talk about WhatsApp Business API, then it is required by those businesses who receive lots of inquiries in a single day. They can connect their WhatsApp Business API with their CRM software. They can connect their WhatsApp Business API with customer support software. They can integrate their WhatsApp Business API with their website or e-commerce store. They can use their WhatsApp Business API for marketing automation. For example, if you are running an e-commerce store and you want to send invoices directly to the customers who are purchasing product from your website automatically, then you can set up a WhatsApp Business API. So whenever a customer purchases any product from your website will send data to the WhatsApp Business API, and WhatsApp Business API will automatically send message to your customer that your order has been confirmed and this is your order number and here is the invoice. Now if we consider automation, then in WhatsApp Business App, there are limited features like you can set greeting message, you can set away message. Whereas if we talk about WhatsApp Business API, then you can set advanced automated workflows. You can create chatbots. For example, if any of your customer have messaged you on WhatsApp Business API that hi, then your WhatsApp Business API will reply automatically like hi, how may I help you? You can add also 2 to 3 buttons, like you can add button of track order, view product, contact support. Now coming to the shared access, then WhatsApp Business is designed for smaller teams and simpler communication. Whereas if we talk about WhatsApp Business API, then it is designed for multiple support agents. You can assign your inquiries to multiple support agents in it. If you are receiving hundreds or thousands of inquiries in a single day, then you can assign those inquiries to different team members. Considering the CRM integration, then WhatsApp Business App features are limited. Whereas if you talk about WhatsApp Business API, then you can connect your business CRM with your WhatsApp Business API. And coming to how it will work. For example, if any of your customer have sent you a message on WhatsApp Business API, then WhatsApp Business API will automatically send that data to the CRM software and customer details would be captured in your CRM software. Then your sales team will take follow-up of that customer and the whole conversation will get recorded in your CRM software. It makes easier for managing leads for those businesses having lots of database of their customers. Now, do you also want to do marketing of your business? Then WhatsApp Business App is limited. You cannot send message to unlimited people in it. But if we talk about WhatsApp Business API, then you can send marketing message, sale message, offer and update message to unlimited number of people if you follow the Meta's marketing message policy. Now coming to the most important factor, that is cost. WhatsApp Business App is free, whereas if we talk about WhatsApp Business API, then it's not free. whatever the third party service provider you opt for, they will charge monthly subscription on it. And per marketing message have its own cost. Sir, WhatsApp Business API is great solution for my business. Then how I can create WhatsApp Business API account and how I can set up WhatsApp Business API for my business? You can simply create a free WhatsApp Business API account by clicking on the link in the video description. And if you want to set up WhatsApp Business API for your business, then I will mention the complete tutorial playlist in the ending of this video. Now coming to the main question, which one you should choose for your business? If you are receiving 5 to 10 inquiries in a single day, then you can manage manually. So you can opt for WhatsApp Business app. Whereas if you are receiving hundreds of inquiries, 30 to 40 inquiries a day, then I would recommend you to set up a WhatsApp Business API and integrate your WhatsApp Business API with your website, with your CRM software, with your e-commerce software, and manage automatic replies on it. Now I hope you like this video. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel to watch more videos like this. And if you are interested in learning digital marketing, then you can download Digital Bikana app, link in the video description. Thank you.